everyone, this is Raution, and today we are starting our Friday whiteboard, which means we're gonna be talking about some of the latest and the coolest thing that we are trying to do and accomplish on a week-to-week basis, as well as talk about some of our experiences that we are learning from the agent community with our interactions. We are talking to hundreds of agents on a weekly basis, and there is so much to learn. So today we're going to be talking about their adoption of InsuredMine application. So as we have talked very frequently about the acronym that we use now is called CSEA, which stands for Sales, Engagement, and Analytics. So sales, engagement, and analytics are the three acronyms that combines to C is what we are using. So let's talk about when we are talking to these agencies, what is that is exciting them and attracting them to our platform. The most important thing that excites them is sales. Everybody wants to talk about how they want to improve their sales process. And then what gets them going is about the engagement. Yes, I want to communicate with my prospects. I want to communicate with my clients. I want to tell them happy birthday. I want to wish them on 4th of July. There's so much I want to talk to them, and this tool helps me do that. This is awesome. And then comes analytics. Yes, this is good to know. Yes, this is good actionable data. This is well segmented data that we are learning about our business. So the priority is very clear. This is what gets them going, which is sales, and second is engagement, and third is analytics. All right, as we are talking about the excitement from these agencies, we see a pattern of what we call a reverse pyramid. So first it's the sales, second is engagement, and third is analytics. So this is what gets them going and in terms of priority. But the interesting fact is when we are studying their usage and adoption behavior, we see a completely reverse pyramid, which means the first thing they are adopting today, and because there is not much to do but a lot to understand and learn from the tool, which is in terms of analytics. So they're spending a lot of time learning and understanding their business and segmentations, as well as understanding how their customers line of business and everything is bifurcated. So we see a lot of time being spent on those data segmentation, data visualization from the customers. And then once they have a good grip of the data analytics, next thing what they're doing is they are setting up this drip campaigns. They are setting up automation campaigns for birthdays, for welcome emails, for follow-up, or for cross-sale opportunities. So we see a lot of engagement as drip campaigns are all set up. Last but not the least, we are seeing changes or adoption in the sales process. So we spoke to them to understand their psychology. So one thing we are learning that it is very difficult to change the way they sell. It's very difficult to adopt a new sales process. Today, 9 out of 10 agencies do not have a sales process. And forget about using technology. They are all based out of, they're using Post-its, or they're using some kind of an Excel or a code sheet on a paper, things like that. But today, by using the sales process designed and developed using InsuredMine, two things, which is CRM and what we call our deal board, this helps them bring three things together. It's a wonderful intersection of what we call people, process, and technology. So this is that wonderful mix of bringing people, process, and technology together, where we are seeing a lot more effective outcome coming out of sales processes. So we understand it's a tough thing to accomplish, but remember, this is what attracted you to InsuredMine platform, and this is what you have to do to get the most out of this. For today, this is all we're gonna cover. There is more to come next Friday. Stay tuned.